I made this beautiful high quality transparent multipurpose liquid soap for Souvenir, and I will share the full recipe with you all in this video. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Let's begin with the list of all the chemicals I use to produce the liquid soap. Here I have caustic soda, SLS powder, you can use the rice. I also have EDTA, nitrosol, glycerin, preservative, color, salt, perfume, mixture of 2 liters of foam booster, 2 liters of sulfonic acid, and 1.5 kg of Texapon. And lastly, I have 45 liters of water. Once you have all the chemicals, go ahead to measure and prepare the chemicals. First, measure 750 grams of salt into a bowl. Add part of your water and stir, then keep it aside to dissolve completely. Measure 250 grams of caustic soda and dissolve it gradually in another bowl of water like this. Then set aside. Pour some water in another bowl and gradually dissolve 500 grams of SLS with it. Please note that there is no particular quantity of water to dissolve these chemicals. In my experience, the more water I use to dissolve the chemicals, the faster it is to dissolve and the easier it is to mix all of the chemicals together to form the liquid soap. Lastly, dissolve color in another bowl of water. You can use anywhere from 20 to 50 grams of color depending on how you like it. Keep the chemicals to dissolve completely and become clear solutions like this for up to 1 hour. Pour the remaining water into your mixing bowl and go in with 100 grams of EDTA. Stir very well till it's completely dissolved. Next, add 250 grams of nitrosol gradually and stir to mix very well. Next, pour in the caustic soda solution and stir to blend in well. Then pour in the SLS solution and stir to blend in well. Next, pour in the mixture of foam booster, sulfonic acid and Texapon and stir very well to combine. Next, pour in the salt solution and stir very well to combine as well. The soap should become thick at this point. Lastly, get your color solution. Add 100 ml of glycerin, 100 ml of preservative, and 200 ml of perfume. Add some quantity of the soap to this color mixture and stir well. Then pour into the entire liquid soap mixture and stir to mix very well together. I transferred the soap into this bucket to enable me cover the soap to avoid losing its fragrance. If your mixing bowl already have cover, then you just go ahead and cover the soap and allow the foam to completely settle for at least 24 hours, after which your liquid soap should look like this and ready for use or package for sale. In my case, I went ahead to bottle the soap for a wedding souvenir. I hope you found this video helpful. Kindly like and share, and thank you for watching.